What's going on, Marissa here? I'm excited for you to watch this video. You came here looking for a financial solution, and I'm going to do my best to provide one for you. So I'm going to show you a little bit of income proof to let you see that I'm legit, right? And then I'm going to go into what I've done to make the money I'm about to show you. Right, so I'm in PayPal, right? You guys know what PayPal is. Obviously, you looked up how to make money with PayPal. That's why you're on this video. And I'm going to log in and show you some income proof that I've actually made literally today. Okay, I got a payment sent today. That's actually pretty nice, okay? And I'm doing this, right, because you've realized a little bit that there's more to the same device you're using to watch this video is the same device that can literally bring you income. You're just maybe looking for, you know, how do you do it? What can I get with? What strategy, what technique do I use to do this? So I'm showing you this because, you know, there's a whole level of hope you get when you know something can work. And then there's another level of hope when you see somebody actually making money, right? So that's why I want to show you this. And I want to hurry up and get through this because, and I want to get you on the track to making this money because there's literally nothing like it's cool seeing somebody else make money and it's legit, great, but there's nothing like seeing your first real dollars online, your first $100 day, your first $500 week, whatever, you know what I mean? So I just want to show you this real quick here. So this is my PayPal account. This is my real PayPal account. You see $744 in this account. I received a payment of $746, okay? This was made in a short period of time. I'm not about, now this is not a get rich quick thing. I'm not about to sit here and tell you, hey, get with what I'm doing and you're gonna make $10,000 tomorrow. Like, no, it's just not gonna happen. But I'm making realistic income for the amount of like work I guess I'm putting in with this online stuff. And I just wanted to show you that, you know, in my PayPal account, just so you can see I'm like a real person. Okay. So like I said, you know, the internet there's much more things you can do on the internet besides watching funny cat and dog videos and like funny people falling down, which I do all the time. It's hilarious. You know, and what I showed, that $700, not a lot of money, you know, but I know a lot of people could use an extra $700 a week or every other week or every month even. People need sometimes even $500 extra on the month. And that money I actually made, believe it or not, I made that in about a week and a half. So now I've also, I know some things, right? You know, I've been online for just a little bit, but what I want to do is show you what I'm doing to make that, okay? But like I said, I'm not saying, right, you're gonna, you know, make $1,000 tomorrow, you know, anything like that. So there's all kinds of ways you can actually make money, right? So you can sell on eBay, you can become an Amazon affiliate. You look up how to drop ship on eBay if you really want to learn a crazy skill, right? You can also make money with something called affiliate marketing. Now, I know some of you watching this hear that and you're like, affiliate marketing? Heck no. Trust me, what I'm doing is not like your average affiliate marketing type of thing, right? And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically what that means is you market somebody else's product, and when you get sales, you kind of make a commission, percentage of the, you know, a commission basically on what you're selling in somebody else's product, okay? I've actually done that for a while, and I'm decent at it. But what I realize is many people struggle with it pretty bad, right? My hair is getting on my nerves today. Because how it normally works is you market something, and the only time you make money is if somebody actually buys whatever. You have to get people to spend money. And sometimes that's not the easiest thing to do, especially for people who are really new to making money online. With what I'm doing, I'm basically flipping it, right? So instead, you usually have to get people they have to pay money. I'm making money off of people regardless if they join me in something or do what I'm doing or not. I really make money off of every single person, whether they decide, hey, I've really this or not. And that's what's really insane. That's the flip with what this is and why it's so easy to make money with what I'm doing. So I'm actually gonna cut this video off. I wanted to give you just a little tease, right? Just a little tease because I want you to see what is in store, basically. There's a link in my video description below. Click on it and it's gonna take you to the thing that I'm using to make this income, okay? You will be hearing from me shortly. You can leave me a comment or something like that. You'll be hearing from me shortly. It's a system, basically, like I said, that teaches you how, or not teaches, but it gives you a way, basically, you make money online in a very, very, very unique way. Okay, there's even a way you can join for free. So check that out. Talk to you later, and God bless you.